Running a business usually requires many tools. You might use one tool for email marketing, another for SMS messages, another for booking appointments, or different tool for forms, and another for tracking users. All these different tools can cost a lot of money, take time to manage, and make your work complicated. But what if one tool could replace all of them? And that's what GoHighLevel can do. In this video, we will explain how GoHighLevel can replace 5 different tools at once and make your business easier to run. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to make a smart decision without any confusion. If you love simple explanations that help you to grow, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description. When you use that link, any special offer or the 30 days free trial on GoHighLevel, that will be applied automatically. And obviously you can get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses that will help you to start with the GoHighLevel. Now let's move to the main part of the video and talk about how GoHighLevel can replace multiple tools and save you time and money. Many businesses use email marketing tools to send the newsletters, promotions, and automated messages. These tools often cost money every month, and you may need another tool for SMS messages. But GoHighLevel includes both email and SMS messaging inside the one platform. That means you can send messages without paying extra for separate email or text messaging app. Now, e-commerce and the service business often use the appointment or calendar tools to let customers book calls or meeting online. These tools let customers pick the dates and times, and they send reminders. GoHighLevel has a built-in calendar and scheduling feature, so you don't need a separate booking tool. You can connect your calendar, let customers book automatically, and send the reminders without using another service. Another common tool businesses use is a CRM, a customer relationship manager. A CRM helps you keep track of leads and customers, record conversations, and see where each customer is in your sales process. Many businesses pay for this separate CRM software. GoHighLevel has a built-in CRM that keeps everything in one place: email, SMS, appointments, and customer data, all under one dashboard. Business also use the form and landing page builders to capture leads. This tool also help you to create pages that collect emails, phone numbers, or customer information. But GoHighLevel allows you to build the landing pages and forms directly inside the platform. This means you don't need to pay for the separate landing page tool or worry about connecting it to your email software. GoHighLevel does it all in one place. Another tool many businesses use is the automation or workflow software. This lets you create automatic sequences for actions, like sending a message after someone signs up or changing a lead's status when they take an action. Instead of needing separate automation software, GoHighLevel's built-in automation lets you create the visual workflows that connect triggers and actions. You can automate follow-ups, appointment reminders, tagging, and many more tasks without extra tools. So let's summarize. GoHighLevel can replace your email marketing tool, your SMS messaging tool, your appointment or calendar tool, your CRM software, your landing page or the form builder, and your automation tool. That is more than 5 tools already, but it does even more than that. Another big advantage is centralized communication. If you use separate tools, you may need to check messages in different places. One inbox for the email, another for SMS, another for appointment replies. GoHighLevel combines all the communication into one inbox, so you don't miss any customer message. Using many tools also means paying the many monthly bills. When you replace them with one platform, your cost becomes simpler and often lower. You pay for one all-in-one system instead of many separate apps. For freelancers and agencies, this replacement approach also creates a reselling opportunity. Since GoHighLevel has so many tools inside it, you can offer it as your own solution to your clients and earn monthly income while replacing tools they already use. In simple words, GoHighLevel helps you stop juggling multiple apps and replaces them with one powerful system that saves time, reduces cost, and makes your business more organized. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech. If this video helped you to understand how GoHighLevel can replace multiple tools, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description to access GoHighLevel with any special offer that also will be applied automatically. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.